Listen to me. You gotta grow up strong, have lots of energy. So here's what you do. Eat a rainbow of food. Yeah, red, orange, yellow, green, purple, pink, blue. It's a rainbow rabbit.
Okay, very good. Hello, my class. In this lesson, we learn about the rainbow diet. Continue with the other. Okay, here. Today, please copy the date, June 2020, on the topic, the rainbow diet, page 29 and 29, 28 and 29. And the activity is that you copy in your notebook the charts and draw the fruit and vegetable. Page 28.B and page 29.D. Okay? When you copy, listen the music. The song is the rainbow rap. 1, 2, and 3.
Join the team, be strong, come along, it's a healthy way. Eat a rainbow of fruit and veg and do it every day. Red in your tummy, red, red, yummy, yummy. Can you think? Do you know something red? Have a go. Put orange in your tummy, orange, orange, yummy, yummy. Can you think? Do you know something orange? Have a go.
Okay, continue. The rainbow, okay? El arco iris, la dieta de arco iris. This is a diet about the rainbow, about the colors. The food separate the food according with the color, okay? And the people can eat. Vamos a ver por qué lo hacen. Okay, the red color, red food. And we have tomatoes and watermelons to help to prevent some types of cancer. Esto lo encuentras en la página 28, ¿ok? Toda esta información. Lo que tienes que hacer en este momento es copiar este gráfico y por favor en la parte de las vegetales o frutas que sean nombradas, lo investigas y lo dibujas debajo de su correspondiente título. For example, in these tomatoes and watermelons, you need to find watermelons and tomatoes. I can see tomatoes, okay? Continue and you copy please. And listen music.
Well, it's a rainbow rap, you know what I mean. So get your mouths munching, join the team, be strong, come along, it's a healthy way. Eat a rainbow of fruit and veg and do it every day.
Okay, continue. The green foods. Okay. Spinach, broccoli, kiwi fruits, and cucumbers. You please make the same activity and they foods green color help to make your bone strong. Estos alimentos de color verde te van a ayudar a tener tus huesos fuertes. Okay, copy please.
Put yellow in your tummy, yellow, yellow, yummy, yummy. Can you think? Do you know something yellow? Have a go. Put green in your tummy, green, green, yummy, yummy. Can you think? Do you know something green? Have a go.
Okay, excellent green color. Continue. An orange. The orange food. They are carrot, sweet potatoes, and peas. They are orange, okay? And they protect you from colds and other illnesses. Te protegen de resfriados y otras enfermedades. The orange. Please copy.
Well, it's a rainbow rap, you know what I mean. So get your mouths munching, join the team. Be strong, come along, it's a healthy way. Eat a rainbow of fruit and veg and do it every day. Put purple in your tummy, purple, purple, yummy, yummy. Can you think? Do you know something purple? Have a go. Put pink in your tummy, pink, pink, yummy, yummy. Can you think? Do you know something pink? Have a go.
Okay, continue. And white food. Potatoes and onions. Look, the onions here. Okay, they protect your heart and help you build a strong muscle. Te ayudan al corazón, ¿ok? Y nos dicen que nos están colocando strong, fuertes músculos. Ok. Look here, banana. Okay, the banana, corns, and pineapple. Look, the corns, the bananas, and pineapple here. They are yellow, yellow, like the sun, yellow, yellow. Okay, protect you the flu too. And look in the skin, is your face healthily. Haces que se vea tu piel saludable.
Put blue in your tummy, blue, blue, yummy, yummy. Can you think? Do you know something blue? Have a go. Well, it's a rainbow rap, you know what I mean. So get your mouths munching, join the team. Be strong, come along, it's a healthy way. Eat a rainbow of fruit and veg and do it every day.
Okay, continue. With the other is blueberries and grapes. Look, grapes here, okay? And to help your body make new brain cells, this is good for your memory, okay? Nos están diciendo que nos ayuda para la memoria. Recuerda, tú tienes que buscar el significado de estas frutas o vegetales y dibujarlo de acuerdo al color correspondiente, ¿ok? Para que te quede muy, muy bien. And we finish my class. This is the activity for today. Recuerda que tienes que hacer en la página 28, responde por favor el punto A y B. Y en la página 29, el punto D, solamente el punto D. Okay, see you. Bye and listen music to say goodbye. Wait for me.
You gotta grow up strong, have lots of energy. So here's what you do. Eat a rainbow of food. Yeah, red, orange, yellow, green, purple, pink, blue. It's a rainbow rap, you know what I mean. So get your mouths munching, join the team. Be strong, come along, it's a healthy way.
Bye.